Hi, it's Marty Caldwell. You know, a lot of times through the questions we have and the comments I get from adoptive parents, we come with ideas that we want to share with our adoptive parents because I believe education is a key ingredient in adoption so you can make the right choices and the choices that will help you save time, money, and also stress, and also that will honor our birth mothers because they're the ones that are really making us mommies and daddies. And one of the things I found that occasionally will happen, a family will maybe pass on a situation that is in their preferences, and everyone has an opportunity to go over preferences every month and change them if they need to, but it's really important that you prayerfully think about what you feel that the Lord wants for you as far as the type of child, the age, and the race of the child you want. And then, if you feel that's what you want to do, stick with it. It's important that you do that. We just recently had a family that passed on a wonderful sibling group with healthy children because they just felt like, I think I want to pass on this. And for a birth mother, that's a total rejection. It's a horrible feeling. And I know all of us, you can imagine, have had that happen to us, but you can imagine as a birth mother coming and having enough energy and strength to call and say, I can't do this. Basically, I failed, and I have chosen this family to be the parents. And then to get that type of message back is devastating. And I don't want to have any of you be in that position because many times when that happens, we're passing a bad message not only to the birth mom but also to your adoption coordinators that this family is not willing to fall through with their adoption. And when we get phone calls in the middle of the night and our situation that we really need a family right away, many times those families will be passed up and they won't be called because we're afraid that they can't stick to what they have agreed to. So this is really important. I know it can be a hard lesson to learn, but it's important that you learn these things from us and from me too, because I've been there. So again, go over your preferences, decide what you want, and then stick with it. So if you decide that you want to adopt outside of your race, get the support and learn about that and find out from other families that have adopted transracially, and then embrace that and then trust the Lord to bring you the child that you have both decided that you want, and know that if that phone call comes through, that might be your child. And so don't let anybody get in your way, and let us know what you'd like, and we're here to help you. God bless you. It's Marty Caldwell. I'll speak to you soon.